touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear. Don't touch my soul.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have decided to start like a series of deep conditioning, talking about deep conditioning, some of my favorite deep conditioners, some that aren't so good for my 4B/C hair, you know, just my journey with deep conditioning, because I do it every single week, so I might as well film it and help other people who want help with deep conditioning and don't even know what deep conditioning is. So I thought to start off, I'm gonna talk about my favorite deep conditioner, which is this Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair. Okay, it looks like this. Like, this stuff is amazing. Like, I love this deep conditioner. I love it. It's my baby. Like, it's my go-to deep conditioner when my hair is feeling a little bit on the funky side. I grab this deep conditioner. So okay, I think let me start off by just unraveling my hair. My hair's been in this bun for the whole week, and I'm not gonna wash my hair. I'm not gonna shampoo it. I'm gonna start off by just applying this deep conditioner so that you can see why it's my favorite. Okay, so let's start off by just, yeah, usually you should never ever start with hair that hasn't been detangled, or, you know, taken out any knots, any shedding or whatever, but I will, because I need you guys to know how amazing this stuff is. Okay, so this is a big tub of deep conditioner. It weighs in at 436 mils, which is a lot. You get a lot for your money, so it's definitely worth it. And it's a creamy white consistency, and it just immediately absorbs into your hair. It's really worth the money, and a little goes a long way, but I always use so much because I'm just heavy-handed with my products. So the tub actually comes in a brown packaging, and it smells like coconut. Like, the whole range really smells like coconut, and it's got coconut oil in it. So if you don't like coconut, then I would advise you to stay away from it if it puts you off. But other than that, it's really, really awesome. And the price of it is actually 164 to 165 rands here in South Africa, which is not too bad. It's still a little bit pricey for an Aunt Jackie's, but because the tub is actually quite a bit, I really think it's worth the money. So that's just my input. Another reason why I really love this deep conditioner is because it actually works as a 3-in-1. It's a deep conditioner, it can work as a co-wash, and it definitely works as a detangler. It makes my hair so easy to detangle, and that's why I'm placing it on dry hair, because it gives it a lot of slip, which is awesome. Okay, so I am back, and I just wanted to chit chat with you guys a little bit about why it is my go-to conditioner, deep conditioner. The thing is, the smell is so amazing. Like, I love the smell. The smell lingers in this whole range. Even the butter smells really, really good. I love smells. Like, you can sell me by the smell of a product and I am sold, you know. So the main reason why I really love this deep conditioner is because it's a balanced deep conditioner in terms of it gives you proteins and then it also gives you moisture, you know what I mean? So it's not that product whereby it's only moisture or only protein. It's got a balance of both. And let me just show you. As soon as I put it on, as soon as I apply it into my hair, it absorbs so quickly. I have low porosity hair, so it usually takes me quite some time for the product to go into the hair strands, because, you know, low porosity hair has scales or cuticles that are tightly sealed, so only a bit of the product can go in. But for me, this goes in so quickly, like on the spot, and my hair feels so moisturized right now. Another reason why I like it is because, see that, like, it detangles as if, like, it's, I don't know what's in this product, like, that makes it so easy. Like, the slip on this product is just so amazing. That's why I had the confidence to not detangle beforehand, because it just melts into my hair. It melts so well. This is it's a good deep conditioner. It's a quality deep conditioner, which makes sense as to why it's a little bit up on the price range in comparison to all their other products. Okay, so just a few details about this deep conditioner is that it's got avocado, mango and flaxseed, which help to repair damage, stop breakage, soften, shine and hydrate dry, brittle hair. Like, this statement at the bottom is exactly what the product does. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like, trust me. Trust me, baby, trust me. Yeah, like, honestly, it's a good product. And then again, anything with avocado oil is a winner for me. So that's why I love this deep conditioner. It does say cover with a plastic bag or sit under a hooded dryer for 10 minutes for a deep intensive repair treatment. So, which is true. Like, as soon as I apply this, my hair is already, like, you know, awake, you know what I mean? Like, because I had my hair in that style for 7 days and I didn't re-moisturize or anything like that. So this is a really good boost for my hair. If you want to, you can go further, or if you use it as a regular rinse out, you can use it for 5 minutes. So yeah, I think that's all I can say about this product. It's definitely number one in terms of all my deep conditioning products. And I'm gonna go rinse out my hair, style it, and because I need to get into a protective style and call it a day, man. Like, winter's coming, so I need to hide my hair for a little bit. Okay, this video. And if you've been watching for this long, I really love if you would subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, just click on that bell beside the subscription button and, you know, join the bandwagon. Okay, and then there's so many other videos you can watch. I'm just gonna put a link for you to subscribe and a link for you to watch any other video you want to watch. Okay. All right, guys.